Good evening, guys. So after a long time, sorry. Hopefully, from now on, we'll post the continuous videos on that. So let's dive in directly. So let's see what's happening in the gold. So the U.S. Interest rates looks like there is no change in the last meeting and last two meetings actually. The market thinks that the inflation is under control, so the U.S. didn't increase the interest rates where the USD gets stronger and the other currency gets weaker. So that didn't happen. The counter effect of that where gold against USD. So where USD becomes weaker, the gold gets stronger. So as a counterpart, the gold started rallying in the last from October 9th. So that week from there on, so the market started swinging towards bull. So let's see now what's the current trend in the gold, especially let me check in weekly. So the weekly has already marked, so this is a low high and this is higher low, so this swings target is already complete, so somewhere it should be here. Okay, so that's complete. Now again the market is going for a correction. um, on the other hand, this is the consider it as a parent swing, fine. So this affects, so the fall of the market right in this area, even considering this. So the one which I have marked in a curvy line, I think, yeah, I can put it in black. Yeah. So this black line. So these effects are because of the market's interest rate changes and the global war situation as well. Yeah, Palestine wars, and that effects started pushing the gold to and fro and so on. So that is the this jumpy trend. But overall, this is the parent swing, and this parent swing's target is right up here. So that's complete now. Now, if you see here within this, you can see a couple of trends. Like let's consider the other way around. We have a double bottom pattern here. If you see here, low, high, and this is previous low. So this is a double bottom, and this neckline, if it breaks, we can expect the target much higher, and the target would be this is a double bottom neckline breaks pattern. Fine. So this should be up right here. Yeah, this should be up right here, so which should be around $2,351. But this will take slowly, it will start pushing up, and we can see that. And this breakout here, so weekly, if a candle closes above $2,081.46, then we can expect the target $2,351.86. So this is the other long way trend. But if you see here in here closely, there is a lower low here, this lower high, lower low, and this is a higher high, then higher low. So this is a bull swing, and higher high, higher low, then again market went higher high, now higher low. So this we are looking in a weekly. So this structure here, oh my god, this structure here, let's visualize in daily time frame, because in lower time frame you can expect the targets to hit much closer. So this time frame which I've shown in weekly to understand how far the market has the potential to push upwards. Fine. So this one let's visualize in a daily time frame. This right window is a daily time frame window. Here I have drawn a straight line. There is a ascending trend line. So this is taken a support here. So low, high. This is higher low. Then again higher high. Now market is in higher low. Is taking a support at the ascending trend line, as well as the previous high. Now that is considered as a support. So the market is taking up a it's breathing right in this place. This is a good place right now. Now what happens is that this is one swing now, low, high, and higher low. It's like this, low, high, higher low, then market can go to high high. So this is the expected target now if this breaks. Now this one again, this one, let me remove this. This swing is the swing which we are going to look forwards, because that is a swing right now. I'll mark that swing in a other color right now. So to see what is the structure that looks in a lower time frame, say let's go for 4 hour right now. Fine. I'll color this with yellow. Oh no, sorry, yellow is bad color. Red we don't have. This one, no. um, Green. Yeah, green looks fine. Now this is a green. Let me look at it in 4 hours. Come on, yeah. In 4 hours, if you have a look, so if you see high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, then higher high, higher low, higher high. Now it's a lower low. This is the correction. This is a bull swing, swing impulse wave, and this is a corrective wave. The corrective wave of a bull swing will be a lower trend in the lower time frame. Sorry, downtrend in the lower time frame. So this lower low formation and then lower high, then again lower low. This trend down formation indicates, that is in the 4 hour, indicates the correction in the daily time frame. Correct. When this trend changes up, like from downtrend to uptrend, that indicates that it is a impulse wave starts for this particular swing, which I've already marked in a green circle, like the green area. Fine. What is the level that changes the trend of a market from down to up in the 4 hour time frame? That is this. Not on this level. If a 4 hour candle closes above 2041.21, so this high 2041.29 in a 4 hour candle, if it closes above this, then the impulse will start. That impulse will be for this particular swing, and the impulse will start and it will go on. And the expected target is up here, 2228.13 dollars, and the risk would be $2009.96. So whereas the risk reward ratio for this particular trade would be, give me a minute. Oh yeah, so this would be 1 is to 6. 1 is to 6. So this is a really like best to trade to take in, because the reward ratio is higher. So and trade with the caution, trade with the tight stop loss. I think there is another Fed meeting, but I'm not sure about the other Fed meeting, if it is there or not. I thought it was a bit December 12th, but I'm not sure. I didn't see the calendar for the Fed actually. So in case if something goes sideways, so to be on a safer hand, always have a stop loss, and especially have a tight stop loss at this point. And do trade, this is a good trade for the risk reward ratio. It is 1 is to 6. And those who have a fear not to hold till the target which I've mentioned right now, so you can try it out, this particular targets as well. So consider the first target should be 2143, then second target should be 2225.65. So these are the two different targets you can consider. So anybody who's fearing of to hold your no position till here, they can try it out till here. So there should be another target. For that, the risk reward ratio would be, it should be 1 is to 2.97, roughly 1 is to 3. This is again another good trade. So the risk reward ratio for this particular swing trade is, what do we call, amazing. No, it's good. Any trade that's above 1 is to 2 is really a good trade. So this is more than, this is like 1 is to 3. This is really a good trade. And always trade with a caution and use a proper money management, and do an analysis from your point, and then do take a decision as well. And what I want to do, have a tighter stop loss actually. Okay, that is one thing. And give me a second. To be in caution, what I wanted to say is, so this is a weekly time frame. As I said, weekly, what should be the trend and so on. We look in a monthly time frame. Okay, the gold in a dollar terms, right from 2020, it hasn't moved anywhere. So it went down till $1,620, and again it came back to the same old level as it was in August 2020 year. Okay, so it's in a monthly resistance, it's hitting at the monthly resistance. In case if there is a trend changes at this point, we can expect the gold to fall further as well. So this here, the selling pressure or the resistance is too strong, because higher time frame resistance we got rejection right in 2020, 22, then again 23. Now we have in the 23 December. So if this breaks, we can expect the gold to rally to the newer high. But if this gets Gold gets weaker at this area, we can expect the gold to fall further, and then it can take another rally. So this is only one caution to consider. That is the reason, have a very strict stop loss, tight stop loss, and then proper risk management you make it. So don't be greedy because of the risk reward ratio percentage is like 1 is to 3 or 1 is to 6. So do not try that. And, okay, don't do stunts. If there is any update, if there is a breakout is confirmed, I'll post it in the comment section as well. So this is about to break, and to summarize, the 4 hour candle supposed to break the level $2041.29 in 4 hour time frame, then we can enter the target. Got it. And in terms of rupees, whoever wanted to trade in Indian market, for them, the target would be for the same trend, the same analysis are exactly the same. And for that, the target would be here, the risk reward ratio would be pretty bit different because there's a future market in here. And the target would be 65,996 rupees, and your stop should be 61,834. And enter the market if a 4 hour candle closes above 62,531. So it will be 1 is to 5 risk reward ratio. So whoever wanted to trade in Indian markets, so you can use gold for these levels which I've mentioned right now here. So any updates, we'll post it in the comments. And please do write a review in case if I have missed out any structure or a pattern or any other news from the ground level which I have missed out. I'll get to know. um, See you. Over and out.